receive anything. Because the call is through the data connection one. Got two kind of call lah, regular call or the free call thing.
Because you didn't call me also, because you cannot find you didn't call me also, because sometimes they call me.
No lah, I just waiting you to give me the instruction. Normally people will just text easy man, no need to call. It got note everything, direct enter already lah.
Okay, so okay lah.
And we go to Gleneagles.
But why this time?
Visiting. Wrong timing
100% wrong.
Jam
Jam
my experience
Oh my gosh.
you will reach at 6+.
Wow.
My experience 6+.
You at the waist take you lah.
Oh, the way say before 6 months, but my experience tell me after 6 because the time confirm delay.
Oh my goodness.
Normal lor. If you go 30 minutes earlier, still okay.
Not 30 lah, you should have gone lah. Now it's 5. 5:15.
Oh my goodness. I thought it's 4. Something a bit late.
So it's going to cost me
No cost lah. Grab car. This is the betting about Grab car.
Fixed already lah.
Yeah lah, income also fixed already.
You took your license already
I have a license, but I don't intend to submit lah.
Oh, why
Because I don't intend to continue also.
After 3 months, you're going to stop lah?
Of course, Grab not easy this job, very struggling.
Oh, really
Yeah.
Some people I talk to, they very happy.
They happy with those daily, like cukup makan those people.
I see.
If you want,
you want more a bit, cannot lah.
Normal lah. I think far one. I think for future.
Yeah.
For long
For
run.
future cannot lah.
Yeah. For a short while, okay lah.
Short while for saving purpose Like these 3 months, I just whack only everyday work Sacrifice my time.
Yeah. You find something better, you go off lah.
Cannot find also must go Cannot stay this job for a long time.
Not for long.
Tiring
You only will get disappointment. The more you work, the more disappointment you'll get. Because last time Grab got pay driver money.
Now?
No pay lah. Jam your problem
Actually, they are all quite mean Grab they really hantam you. They will take 20%, right? That's quite a lot, no?
A lot.
Because they already control the market.
Yep.
For example, like this price considered a bit normal lah, not so crazy lah. Example, for this price suddenly go up to 50 something. You either drive or you just Grab. When you think of the traffic, of course you feel like never mind lah. Because no other option lah.
Otherwise, I'll take the MRT already.
Where got MRT?
Go to KL Central, go out to Ampang, and Ampang to taxi. Take Grab.
MRT to Museum Negara, you have another long walk to KL Central.
No, from here, from one Utama.
Yeah lah.
Utama go to KL Central, not long walk. I've been there.
You need to stop at Museum Negara.
Yeah, correct. And then just take the overhead walk and go to KL Central. Not very long walk.
No.
And then from there take another train.
Maybe for young people it's a long walk.
Always exercise. Young people they complain, correct. Old people call it exercise. I walked before, it's okay. Quite nice walk also. And then from there
nice walk
quite take a Grab. We have got all the time in the world.
Good also lah.
Then avoid the jam lor.
After I heard all the story from the customer, I don't feel like trying the walk.
No,
It's dangerous
It's not difficult. It's quite pleasant. It's quite nice to walk.
Nice.
Just take a walk only.
She's the only one who say nice
Yeah. Most of my customers say, oh, you're very long walk on. So
My husband goes to Kampang like that by train. I drop him off here. He take the train to the museum there, come down, and then go all the way to KL Central and take the other train to Ipoh. No issue what?
Yeah, didn't complain.
Didn't complain.
really?
Come back also like that. I just said, I tell you the walk is nothing one.
Why young people?
Young people all 没有用 one
Yeah.
little
People don't
bit
like to
only.